Yes, sales, please.
Sales?
Yes, please.
One moment.
Thank you. My wife wants a minivan. Do you guys have any in stock, new ones right now?
Yes, sir, we do.
Okay. Now, can you
We
get...
got the Chrysler Pacifica.
Okay, yeah, that's exactly what she wants. She wants it fully loaded. Get me pre-approved over the phone, or...
You have to go online, and I can get you pre-approved.
Sounds easy, but so my wife has a little bit of an issue, and the last 3 cars I bought, this is going to sound crazy, but the last 3 cars I bought, she's tried to screw each salesman, which has almost led to a divorce. And what I was going to ask you, I don't know what you look like, I haven't seen a website or anything yet, but I was going to see if you could maybe hook me up with the ugliest or the least attractive salesperson that you have. And do you have any?
Well,
you have a real ugly salesperson that everyone kind of knows? I mean, you know, I don't want to be mean to them, but put me with somebody that's maybe weak looking or scraggly that she probably wouldn't try to screw, because it's getting old.
Well, I mean, as a professional myself, that's something that you shouldn't be doing, is sleeping with your customers. So
I don't know what kind of dealership these guys are running. They sell me a car and then they screw my wife, you know. But
well, that will not happen with me, Johnny. I don't know.
You promise?
What kind of business that's...
Do you? I mean,
yeah, I can assure you that.
Can you? I mean, I need you to promise me, because I mean, I want to give you the sale and everything, but I mean, I can't have you texting my wife in the middle of the night, you know, acting like you need to get some more information or have to get her pay stubs sent over or something, you know. Because that's one.
Well, you don't do business outside of business hours, so.
You don't?
No.
I mean, as long as you
promise. She shouldn't have my personal number anyway.
And I'm like, what are you doing? She's like, oh, the salesman needs this, the salesman needs that. Yeah, the salesman needed a blowjob is what I figured out in the end, you know.
Bad business.
It is. I mean,
sir, I've been doing this for about 30 years.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so now how do you deal with credit challenged individuals? Because, you know.
Well, we just have to have the finance managers, that's, you know, they basically get your guys' information, and then they will let us know, you know, if we can get it approved. Are you trading anything in? And how is this going to be titled? Is it going to be titled in you and your wife's name together?
But I'd like to,
what is your...
First, if you don't mind, I'd kind of like to do, I want to email you, like, it's basically just an agreement that you won't try to screw my wife. And before I get pre-approved, I just want to get that out of the way first. It's just a simple agreement that I got off the internet. It's official, but if you sign it, it would be basically promising, saying that you swear you'll only sell us a car and you're not going to engage in any after the sale activities. You mind doing that?
Yeah, I don't know where you got that from, but yeah, I mean, again, we don't do business that way, Johnny. I mean, I don't know who you did business with in the past, but having sex with my customers is not something that I do, so that's bad business. That's not the type of dealership that we run. Help you buy a car, that's what my job is.
That's all I want to do.
Earn your business and sell you a car, that's all we're supposed to be doing.
Well, would you mind maybe, like, I don't know what you look like yet, so I guess I don't need to freak out yet, but you sound like a pretty professional guy. So you got an email, I'll send that agreement over to you.
Sure. Yeah, it's M-O-E